And since we're talking about our neighbours, let's discuss what Nepal is up to. It's been a while since we heard from the Prime Minister of Nepal, the one and only KP Sharma Oli. He's back in the headlines, yes and no. He hasn't laid claim to Indian territories this time. The Prime Minister is making news for his lack of seriousness on the Wuhan virus. At least 7 of his close aides have tested positive in the recent days. But the 69-year-old Comrade Oli could not care less. Forget going into self-isolation, he's holding party meetings, interacting with opposition leaders. And amid all this denial, Kathmandu is preparing for a high-profile visit from India. A visit by the Indian Army Chief, General Naravane. All this and more in our next report.
He is 69 years old. He has pre-existing health conditions. He has undergone 2 kidney transplants. And he frequently gets hospitalized for cough and fever. The Prime Minister of Nepal falls in the high-risk category of getting infected by the Wuhan virus. But there is no stopping him from flouting COVID-19 guidelines. KP Sharma Oli is still holding meetings despite several of his close aides testing positive in recent days. This includes Nepal's Tourism Minister Yogesh Bhattarai, the Education Minister Giriraj Pokhrel, the Prime Minister's Chief Advisor Bishnu Rimal, his Press Advisor Surya Thapa, and Foreign Affairs Advisor Rajan Bhattarai. The virus has permeated Nepal's political leadership in Oli's orbit. But the Nepalese Prime Minister is yet to take the virus seriously. He has not gone into self-isolation. He is still participating in his party's secretariat meetings. He is still interacting with opposition leaders. And there is no official word on whether he has even undergone a COVID-19 test. Such lack of seriousness by the leader of 30 million people is being called out by the Nepalese media. Leading newspapers in Nepal are reminding Oli how his government's health protocols are applicable to all, including the Prime Minister himself. But the reminders may do little to convince the Prime Minister. KP Sharma Oli has never taken this pandemic seriously. He started by calling it a simple case of cough and cold that could easily be sneezed away. He then peddled bizarre remedies like turmeric, garlic, and ginger to combat the disease. And when all else failed, he blamed India for the virus from China. The lack of seriousness on the virus continues. But there is growing enthusiasm within the Oli government to fix training ties with India. Nepal has extended an invitation to the Indian Army Chief for a visit that had previously been postponed. The announcement has been made by the Nepal Army. The visit could take place in November this year. The primary agenda will be settling boundary disputes. But reports also say that Indian Army Chief General Naravane will be conferred the honorary rank of General of Nepal's Army by the country's President, Vidya Devi Bhandari. Facing growing criticism at home for its pandemic response, the Oli government seems to be extending an olive branch to New Delhi. The coming weeks in this Himalayan republic will be something to watch out for. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
Thank you for watching Gravitas on WION's YouTube channel. If you want to stay up to date with what's happening around the world, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you very much for watching WION World is One.